I'm here today with another Stitch Fix unboxing, and when I checked out last time, they waived the styling fee, so I've got another back-to-back box, even though my last few boxes I feel like have been a 5 for 5. Let's see how well this is. So let's go ahead and open this Stitch Fix together. So Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service, and you pay a $20 styling fee, which will get credited toward anything that you do purchase, and you will receive 5 items. You can also get a preview, which will show you around 10 items that the stylist has picked for you, and you can decide if you want to keep any of them or let her choose some other ones. And then also I will have a link in the description box. If you want to sign up for Stitch Fix, then that will get you $25 off of your first box. It also gives me $25 off toward my box as well. So let's go ahead and get started opening this box together. So here it is. The first thing you're going to see in here is the package to send anything back that you don't want. And then you're going to get a letter from your stylist. And yes, I still have my same stylist, Jasmine. And then it's going to have a pricing sheet and all of the information and a little note from your stylist. And then here's the bundle, the most exciting part. I see a really fun color. And I can't remember from the preview how many things I actually picked that I liked. So let's go ahead and open this. And I am very excited to be doing this collaboration with Misty from Bliss Abounds. So she's a fellow YouTuber that I just recently learned lives close by. So we had some lunch, and she had said that she had a Stitch Fix coming. So we decided that we would both share our unboxings with you guys. So let Misty tell you a little bit about her channel.
Hello, my name is Misty with Bliss Abounds, and I'm so excited to do this collab with Miss Amanda. Isn't she so amazing? I would love for you to take a moment and check out my channel as well. I love to do a lot of fashion, decorating, and travel. So I post about 3 videos a week.
Like sharing lots of try-ons and awesome finds. And I love to share all the sales and top makeup products and lots of decorating content. So I go all out for all of the holidays. So I invite you to come over and check out my channel, Bliss Abounds, and let me know that you're here from Amanda's channel, and I will be excited to welcome you to my family. And thank you so much, Amanda, for doing this collab, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my channel at Bliss Abounds. Have a blessed day.
And then make sure to check out her unboxing as soon as you finish watching mine to see what she got in her newest Stitch Fix. So the first thing I see is from Fortune and Ivy. It is the Elena button-up knit top in burgundy size medium. Looks like it's the same material on the front and the back. Sometimes I know they have that mixed material, but a beautiful color for the season. Ooh, this is soft, whatever this is. So this is, looks like a blazer. From Skies Are Blue, it's the soft tunic blazer in navy. So this is a longer style, really soft. This feels nice. And then this is textured, whatever this is. Okay, so this is from Skechers, the hoodless hoodie Go Walk shine jacket in navy. So I think this is something that I picked from the preview, but here's my issue with the preview. I know a lot of people are getting about 8 items now because they can pick up to 8 items from their preview. But what my stylist tends to do is this was on there in 3 different colors. Obviously, I'm not gonna pick all 3 colors, so that kind of knocks me out of getting 8 items, but I think this will be a really nice lightweight casual jacket. Ooh, these are super soft. So these are a pair of pants, and they are super soft. They're the patch pocket crop straight pants in black size medium. So they have a nice wide leg. We'll see how cropped they are. And then this looks like another pair of pants from We Wonder, Brooks straight leg pants in blue size medium. So they do have a straighter fit, not as relaxed and wide leg, but they do have that heathering look. So let me go ahead and try all these on for you. Okay, so just went ahead and put the Skechers jacket on and these pants on. So I don't know if they said these were crop or not, but they're not. They hit me right below the ankle, so they're a good length. And this jacket, I wish I could get this out of the way for you guys, is a really nice jacket, but I'm not really sure if I need another just casual jacket. I think I have something even similar to this color. So let's check out the pricing on these. So this is the Skechers jacket. It's $49. So this doesn't wow me. The color's very beautiful, but it's not one that I think that I need. The pants were okay. They're more of that dry wicking material, and they're not real warm, but they're a great length. Love that they have the pockets and nice little drawstring. They're a little bit more fitted than I want for my casual loungewear stuff. These are from We Wonder. These are $59. So again, when I'm thinking of my casual loungewear, I don't really want to pay $59 if it doesn't wow me. The material doesn't wow me. It's got this really nice heather look, so you can see the heather detail, but I don't know, the fit's not that great and they just don't wow me that much. So I don't think that these I'm going to keep, just because I don't think I need another jacket like this, and these are just really nice and thin, something I would think more of for spring and summer instead of for fall and winter. Not very cozy and warm feeling. These were the last remaining 3 pieces, so I thought I'd just try them on all together. These pants are so wonderful. So they are crop style, but not really cropped. So I'm not sure if I like this length. It looks like they're a little bit too short, but not like cropped. They feel so nice. They've got these like patch pockets in the front that are fleece lined, and the inside of these have a fleece material. They're this little pull-on drawstring, and they feel so nice. So they do feel warm and cozy. And then the top is I think it's the Fortune and Ivy top. I'll take the jacket off in just a minute, but this is a really nice color. I love this color, and this style top I do like. And then this is the Skies Are Blue blazer. This feels so nice. I don't know if you can tell, but this has a very smooth feel. I just like it. I like the pockets, and I just like how it's a longer style. I don't know. I really like this piece. I like all 3 of these pieces, obviously not together, but I like all 3 of these pieces. So I know the Skies Are Blue blazers are usually $78, $88. So I don't know. I usually get those if I'm getting everything so I can get that discount. But let me go ahead and take this off. It feels so silky smooth. I love this. So I went ahead and took off the blazer so you could see the top. So it does have this button, and as you can see, it's probably supposed to be a 3/4 sleeve, and then it just has that little detail here. But I love the color, and I think this will go with a lot of dress pants, work pants, anything like that. But these pants are so nice and comfortable. I love these. So let's see the price of these. So the blazer that I just took off was $88 from Skies Are Blue. These pants are $45, and the top is $45. So the total for all 5 items is $286. The buy all discount takes $71.50 off, making the total, because I did not have a styling fee, because I did go ahead and they waived it, so I did get another box. So the total, if I got all 5 items, would be $214.50. And I think that Stitch Fix is giving me some pretty budget-friendly boxes. So I love these pants, I love this top, and I love that blazer. But if I'm not getting everything, then it's around $178 for those 3 items when I could get all 5 for $214.50. So I'm not sure. I'm still going to just have to decide what to keep, because if I just kept these, which these are super comfortable, these are $45. So I don't know. I'll have to think this, because I'm not sure about the length. The length looks like it's a little bit too short, not the crop style it's supposed to be. So you tell me, guys, what do you think? So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.